What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be talking about is another ZOOT video. It's been a minute, and we're gonna talk about the future of this coin and what I think is about to happen. Last video I made on ZOOT, I said it's about to explode. It did. Literally, I think 2 days after I made that video, we had like a 300% rise, and I've been getting asked to make an update video, so here I am today. So if you're new and you love daily crypto videos and daily coins and daily just everything crypto, and you love money, subscribe to the channel, and also leave a like on this video. And if you're a ZOOT holder, go ahead and share it around with your friends, because this is just, you know, just a video on everything new. And also check out my Discord down below. Basically, if you struggle with finding coins, you don't know what to invest in, and you pretty much want a helping hand on everything, how it works is I basically have a chat inside my Discord where I give you plays daily. I'll be like, hey, get into this coin I'm getting in right now, and I'll tell you my entries and when I sell. So it's really easy for you to double your money. Every single day we at least have a 5x or something. So if you want to double your money, join up there. And without further ado, let's get into this video. So yeah, like I said, ZOOT is one of those tokens that I'm holding long term, just like SHIBA. But basically, like I said, it's not a dog coin per se, but it's like the culmination of every single dog coin. What that means is basically, for people that are new and don't know what the token is, basically it just combines all the dog tokens into one, and it has like a betting system on there, kind of like stock options, where you can bet which coin's gonna do the best that day. Overall, it's a sick concept. I've never seen anything done like that, and that's why I like it so much. But here's what I think is gonna happen. Right now, everything's pretty much down, back down to the 30,000s in Bitcoin, and until Bitcoin just sticks above 40 and we keep going up, I think dog coins are gonna kind of stay sheltered like this. But when that time does come and SHIB starts going up, Hawk starts going up, everything starts going up, ZOOT will. You guys remember when the market was down, ZOOT was always the one that was up. Like, it never made sense. The price was always up when the market was down. That's how it is today. I think it's up like 3% while everything else is like down 4%. It's just weird. But I think with the rise of all this stuff, Bitcoin going up, everything going up, I think ZOOT's about to just go absolutely parabolic. If we could go back up to like 0.006 or 7, shoot back to all-time highs, like that's literally like you'd be paid. I love ZOOT. I love the team there. Yes, I'm still holding. If you guys were in the Discord chat, I wouldn't have to make videos like this, you know, just kind of giving an update on where I stand, because I get these questions every single day. So I think ZOOT's still a great hold, still a long-term play for me. I'm gonna see how it goes. But if you want really great plays every single day and you want to know where to buy next, check out my Discord for sure, because I post every single day plays like ZOOT, plays like Kava, plays like Hawk, SHIB, and that's just awesome. So yeah, check out ZOOT if you haven't already. It's a great token. I love it. Leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and also follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. I post there literally every single day, just crypto content like this. And yeah, I love you guys all so much. Thank you for watching, and I'm about to up these videos to 2 a day, so I'll see you guys in my next video.